So on December the 12th, when you walk into that polling booth, are you really going to put an X next to the Tory candidate? They're killing the poor, they're killing the disabled, they're not looking after our veterans.
Our rail services are subsidised to the tune of £13.7 million per day. The Tories can't build a train line and they couldn't run a train line.
They can't build a road, they can't build a runway.
Homelessness on the rise and increasing numbers of families living in B&B accommodation.
Our youth justice service is chaotic and dysfunctional.
Deaths in prisons have doubled in the last 10 years. That means that if you go to prison, you're twice as likely to die in there.
Can't run a school, can't build a house, can't collect tax.
Where are you doing all your Christmas shopping this year? I bet half of it's on Amazon, innit? Well, Jeff Bezos is the richest man that's ever lived. He's not paying his fair share of tax. Over a third of billionaires in this country have invested in the Conservative Party.
The Tories have destroyed the Probation Service.
Don't do it. Don't be a working class Tory, because I guarantee you will never forgive yourself.
The Tories can't run our NHS.
They can't remove cladding.
Remembrance Day, they're all there, suited and booted, putting wreaths on the cenotaph, and those that have been in the army are on the streets with serious mental health problems. Nothing's done. They are liars.
There wasn't homeless people all over Market Street and Piccadilly Gardens off their heads on spice. There was none of that. That's happened in the last 9 years because of this lot. Because of this lot who are somehow telling us that if we vote them in on December the 12th that our lives are going to be better. Well, where have you been for the last 9 years? We can't be having working class Tories. It can't happen. Sort your heads out.